Welcome to another tutorial on learning MODX. In this tutorial we're going to look at updating the homepage on our website, learningmodx.com. If you look at the homepage, we've got pretty much three different elements that can be edited excuse me, in the MODX manager. We have these rotating images, we've got this block of text right here, and we've got these four different blocks of text here, services that can easily be updated in the MODX manager. So let's go ahead and look at the MODX manager and how we would update these three different blocks. So to begin, go ahead and log into learningmodx.com, and we are going to update the home page. So we can either click here on update the home page, or you can click on home in the document tree. But we'll go ahead and click right here on the button, and immediately we will now have the home page loaded up here in MODX and the different areas that we can edit. Let's see, so to begin with, I want to edit this. Let's start with editing this text right here. So what I'm going to do is I'll put, we'll just put something like hello text goes here. Okay, and I'll save it real quick just so you can see the update, and we'll go ahead and hit refresh here in our browser, and sure enough, hello text goes here shows up. Okay. Let's see, these different blocks of content down here, these are the services listed on the website. We've got four different ones. How do we change these? And by the way, the services are all contained over here in the tree under services. Currently there's four. You can add as many as you want. The way this home page is set up is that you can show four that you choose. So let's say I want corporate office supplies to be first and Acme widget to be last. How do I go about reversing those? Well, you've got these little drop downs, so I'm going to choose corporate office supplies to be the first, and I'm going to come over here and I'll say, you know what, I want Acme to be the last. So now I've effectively reversed them. So let's go ahead and hit save, and again we're going to come over here and refresh, and Acme should now be last and corporate supplies should now be first, and that's the change that we saw. So that behavior is acting correct. And by the way, these images, the text, these can all be edited by going into services, which we'll cover in another tutorial on how to update the services section. But this is how you easily switch them out. As far as the rotating images go on the home page at the very top, we've currently got to think about 4 or 5 in rotation. So let's add another one. I'm going to go ahead right here, and by the way, I clicked on rotating images. We've got these different categories right here. And I'm going to click add an item. And you can name it. In this example, we're going to upload a picture of a mountain, so you can give it a title. And let's see, I've got, when I click, excuse me, I'm going a little fast here, on image, whenever I want to upload the image, you've got these little arrows right here, and I'll click on those. And this shows us the file structure on the server where things are stored, basically the different folders that hold our images. You can create new folders, you can rename these. I wouldn't advise renaming them because you might cause images to break because they're defined by a path to these different images. But if I wanted to, I can create a new folder, you know, to give a little more clarification. But I've already got one called Home or Rotating Image, and I'll go ahead and click on that folder. These are the 4 different images that I currently have. So what I'll do is I'll upload a new one, and I come to this icon right here, Upload Files, click on it, and I'll go to Add. On my desktop, I've got a picture of a mountain, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. And it says queued for upload. So it says it's ready. So I'll go ahead and hit upload, and it's going to upload it, and it tells us it's uploaded. It says okay. If I close this, there's a picture of the mountain. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it, and it's now going to load it in. It says okay, it's ready, it's set, and it's loaded in. So I'll go ahead and hit done, and here it is, a picture of our mountain. Okay, so it's actually the last one in the rotation, so let's go ahead and hit save. And I'm going to come over here and refresh this. And if you look here, there's now 5 buttons across the bottom. So if we click the last one, sure enough, there's a picture of our mountain. And now we've got our images updated. And we can, you know, change them, we can delete them, however you want to do. You can go about modifying those images in their order. So what we effectively have done is updated the home page. We've updated these 4 blocks of code, or rather services, these different services that are offered. We've changed the order. If you add more services in MODX, you can then feature those here on the home page. We've updated this block of text, and we've changed out a banner image here. So it's as simple as that.